Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed with the lesson today, I would request you to kindly subscribe and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from my side. Okay, without wasting any time, let me start with the lesson today. So today's lesson is to write the tables from 1 to 50. Now, tables, multiplication tables, a big problem among students, right? Especially the parents, they literally go mad trying to memorize the table to their kids, and they don't really find it interesting. But let me tell you, what if I say that even though you do not memorize the tables, what if you are still able to write them? Isn't that amazing? Unbelievable, right? Yes, today I have come with a hack to write the tables between 1 to 50 without actually memorizing the tables. Obviously, we need few tables that you have to remember. That's between 0 to 9. I will help you with two tables, 8 and 9, so that at least the basic tables are prepared, the basic tables are ready. And we can then proceed with the two-digit number tables. So there's no problem while writing the tables, okay? So starting with 8 and 9. What's the hack? What's the technique? Now, what we'll do is, for 8, we'll write from 0 to 8, repeating 4 twice, okay? What did I say? Repeating 4 twice. So it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Like I said, repeating 4 twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? The first step is writing 0 to 8, repeating 4 twice. Got it, everyone? The next step, writing the values from here. Now those values should be even numbers between 0 to 8. So it's going to be 0, 2, 4, 6, and obviously 8, because I told you between 0 to 8. So it's going to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we don't have more values between 0 to 8. So we're going to repeat it. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And there you go. We have the table of 8 right in front of us without actually memorizing it. But I know the table, so stop guessing. Okay, coming to the table of 9. I personally think that everybody outside in this world knows the trick to write the table of 9. But let me still write it. So we're going to start with 0, repeating 0, writing 0 to 9. Without actually repeating any number. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And going the same way from top to bottom and bottom to top. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There you go. You have the table of 8 and 9 right in front of you. So if you don't know how to memorize them, at least you know how to write them now. Okay? Now this is easy. These are our basic tables from 0 to 9. We are ready to write any table between 1 to 50. Pick any number. Pick any number. Let me pick for today, let's say 18. Let us pick 18. So table of 18. I'm going to write table of 18 now. Now, what is the trick? What is the technique? How do we write the table of 18? What we have to do is, can you see 18 is actually made up of two digits? 1 and 8. Can you see that clearly? Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the table of 1 and then I'm going to write the table of 8. Okay? So let's do that. So table of 1. Not a difficult task, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Writing the table of 8. 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. I made sure I'm writing the tables right in front of the values. Okay? Now what is the hint? What is the technique? What we have to do is, for all the values that are 2-digit, look carefully. 2-digit. What we're going to do, we're going to add these values for each and every 2-digit. We're going to add these values. Okay? And then the table of 18. How do you get the table of 18? Look at this. This is my table of 18. How do I write it? What I'm going to do, I'm going to write these two values together. Just place these two numbers together and write it. So if you put 1 and 8 together, it becomes 18. Now here we have 2 digits, here we have 1 digit. So in that case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the middle value. Actually speaking, 2 can be expressed as 0, 2, isn't it? So in that case, when I say middle value, it's basically these two that I'm talking about. I hope you're understanding. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the addition of these two and then place 6 as it is. Got it? So this is going to be 54. 4 plus 3 is 7, and then 2 as it is. 5 and 4 is going to be 9, so it's going to be 90. Hope you're understanding. 6 and 4 is 108. Then we have 7 and 5. Addition of 7 and 5 is 12. So it's going to be 126. Hope you're understanding. I'm adding these values. Got it? Now 8 and 6 is going to be added. It's going to give you 14, and then 4 as it is. Then we take 9 and 7 together. Add them. What you get is 16. The 2 written as it is. 10 and 8. As in 0 and 8, which is going to be, now 1, I told you we are dealing only with the middle values. We are going to add only the middle values. So 0 plus 8 is going to give you 8. The extreme values are going to be written as it is. Got it? So that's how we have the table of 18 right in front of us without actually memorizing it. Got it? So you can pick actually any table, let's say any random table of 23. Use the same logic. Write the table of 2 together. Write the table of 3. Add the middle values. 1 and 8 are extreme values, can be written as it is, 1 and 8 together. And the middle value is 2 and 1, so which is going to be added, can be written as 3. So it's going to be 138. Let's try this. What is 1 and 1? It's going to be written as it is. So 1, and then here 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's going to be 161. Got it? Here it's going to be 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. So it's going to be 184. Understanding? Here. Now what is going to be happening here? So simple addition. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we take 0 here in the middle value. 7 is as it is written, so you don't really bother about it. Just write 7 as it is. 8 and 2 is going to be 0 and 1 carried here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Simple addition. Simple logic. 2 and 0 extreme values as it is written, and the middle value added is 3. Just make sure if the middle value is bigger than 9, as in if it is 10, you give the tens value, you give the addition carried forward. Okay? That's the logic. And in this way, students, I'm telling you, you can write any table between 1 to 50. Trust me, any table. So today itself, pick a random value, any 2-digit number, maybe 37, maybe 48, maybe 38, any number. Just pick any 2 numbers and try using this technique, and trust me, you'll get the answer. You will be really, really impressed by your own calculation. Thank you so much for today, and hope we'll see you soon. Thank you.